Now this question number 20 is a slightly complex question. Okay. Now let's solve it step by step. So initially I'll consider some of the variables. So n will be the number of students, a will be their average. Okay. So 28 students scored 28 students scored 49 or more than 49 marks. So if their scores are 49 or more, so their average will also be 49 or more. So I'll assume the average as 49 plus x, where x can be greater than or equal to 0. Further, 20 or more students scored less than 49. So these students scored less than 49, so their average will be less than 49. So I'll assume their average as 49 minus 5, and these number of students are more than 20 or more students. So I'll assume the number of students as 20 plus z. So total number of students will become 28 plus 20 plus z, that is 48 plus z, and their net average for the entire class is given as 52. Okay. So now let's make the equation of the sum of the scores. So for these 28 students, the average being 49 plus x. So this will be the sum of their scores. Then for the next 20 plus z number of students, the average is 49 minus y. And that will be equal to the next sum, which is 48 plus z multiplied by 52. Okay. Now simplifying this, I will get 28x minus 20y, 28x minus 20y minus 49 and 52, so minus 3z. Okay, so simplified form में लिख रहा हूं मैं minus yz, and that will be equal to 144. Okay, so you can simplify, take the variables on left hand side and the constants on the right hand side, and you will obtain this equation, right? Now we know that all x, y, and z can be greater than or equal to 0. So x, y, and z can be greater than or equal to 0, right? So if all of them are greater than or equal to 0, I can say that this portion, if I'll take it on the right hand side, so it can be said that 28x will be greater than 144, right? So this portion will be greater than 144. Clear? So 28x is greater than 144. So x will be greater than or equal to 144 divided by 28. Right? So 144 divided by 28 is 5 point something. So the possible integral values that x can take will be above 5 point something. So that will be 6, 7, 8, and so on. Right? Now we have to find out the minimum integral average score of the students who have scored 49 or more. That means we have to find the minimum value of this. So for this to be minimum, I need to consider the value of x to be minimum. So I will start by assuming x as 6. Okay. Now if x is 6, substituting the value of x, okay, as 6, I can make an equation which will be 20y plus 3z plus plus yz, and 28 into 6 is 168 minus 144. So 168 minus 144, that is 24. Okay, so this will be the equation, and we'll check if we have any integral solution for this. So we have, yes, non-negative integral solutions for this. So one of the solution can be 0 comma 8 for y comma z, and the other solution can be 1 comma 1. So we have possible integral, positive integral values of y and z. So x equal to 6 can be considered as the minimum value of x. So the minimum value of the average of these 28 students, which is 49 plus x, will be 49 plus 6, that is 55. Okay, so 55 can be the minimum possible value of the average of these students who have scored 49 or more marks. Okay, so option A will be the correct answer for question number 20.